In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate ad copy with Grok AI, step by step 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Any modern browser works fine. Make sure you're on the official site so your session is secure and everything loads correctly. Once the page opens, give it a second to initialize. You should see the main chat interface front and center. Next, log into your Grok account. While this isn't strictly required, it's helpful because logging in lets you save your chats, revisit previous prompts, and keep track of versions as you refine your copy. Sign in the way you normally would, and you'll be returned to the same homepage, now with your profile active so your work is preserved. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat window. This is where all the action happens. At the bottom, there's a text bar where you'll type your instructions, and up top, you'll see responses appear in real time as Grok generates ideas and drafts. Before you start, look for the mode selector near the chat bar. You can choose Auto, Fast, or Expert. Auto is a balanced choice for most users. Fast prioritizes speed if you just want quick ideas to skim. Expert takes a more in-depth approach, useful if you want richer reasoning or longer form options. Pick the mode that fits your timeline and the level of detail you need. Now, in the chat bar, type Generate Ad Copy. You can keep it that simple to get a baseline draft. For stronger results, immediately add context in the same message, such as the product or service, target audience, tone, channel, and any key benefits you want highlighted. For example, you might mention whether you want short social captions, a headline and subhead for a landing page, or a few variants for A/B testing. Grok will respond with ad copy based on your request. Read through the options and notice how the tone, structure, and calls to action come together. If something looks close but not perfect, note what you like, maybe a particular headline, a hook, or a benefit statement, and keep that language as you refine. You can then guide Grok to summarize or expand using follow-up prompts. Ask it to shorten a line for a character limit, punch up a headline, rewrite in a different voice, or provide more detail on a specific benefit. You can also request multiple variations for testing, or a quick summary of the best performing angles it used so you can apply them across other channels. That's it. Visit grok.com, log in if you'd like to save progress, set your mode, ask it to generate ad copy, and refine with clear prompts. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next one.